The Casino is a classic cocktail from the early 20th century, known for its bright flavors and a hint of floral from the Maraschino liqueur. It's a perfect blend of gin, maraschino, and citrus notes. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces, Old Tom gin, 1/4 of an ounce maraschino liqueur. Luxardo is a popular choice. 1/4 of an ounce lemon juice, freshly squeezed. 2 dashes orange bitters. 1 maraschino cherry for garnish. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, strainer, chilled cocktail glass, jigger, ice, bar spoon. Here are the instructions. Pour the Old Tom gin, maraschino liqueur, lemon juice, and orange bitters into a cocktail shaker. Add ice and shake well until the mixture is chilled. Strain the mixture into a chilled cocktail glass. Garnish with a maraschino cherry. The Casino cocktail was first documented in The Savoy Cocktail Book by Harry Craddock in 1930. It's a lesser-known classic that showcases the complexity of gin paired with the sweetness of maraschino liqueur.